Hello. Hey, I wanted to share an update on the app of the IoT usage data. So I've just solved for it now. What you should be seeing here is a dash app, and the way it works is like this. When you load the app, you'll see a map, and you'll also see a drop down which has a bunch of devices. Pretty much what I haven't read are the ones for which the IoT points for which I had usage data from the data you sent me copy, and the ones in blue are the ones that don't have usage data. So if you go and click something that doesn't have usage data, it'll update the drop down. Another way to obviously select it is just by selecting the values of the drop down. If you selected a blue index, there's no usage data, so it'll just update the household information table, but it really won't give you any usage statistics. But if you went and clicked on a point that's red, you have usage data. So it'll update not only the table of the household's information, but it'll give you some statistics on the different days in which it was used, the the stove was used, and the extent of the total hours that was used. So, for example, on the 18th of June seems to have been used for 2.387 hours, and on the 5th of June seems to have been used for. It's not really clear if the first two rows are duplicates, but I've deduplicated them so I see that the upload times are unique. So I'm guessing these are two separate usages. As you have to assume these are two separate usages. Data quality is obviously important. So uh, the sum should be 0.12 plus 0.12 plus 0.316, which is 0.24 plus 0.316, which is 0.556. That's what this shows. Yeah, so that's all this app is. You can click on another point here, it'll update the drop down here, and it'll also give you the stats. So this seems to have been only used once on a single day, but it's uploaded two unique upload timestamps. So I'm gonna assume that those are two unique data. But we can obviously change the routines that clean and validate the data that comes through the streaming sensor data. Okay, that's all I wanted to share. Oh, I can show how this app was built. It is built using Dash and Plotly on Python. So these are the kind of libraries I use. And I clean the household data, usage data, initialize an app, create the map, place the map into the app, and clear a bunch of response events, which are called callbacks, based on changing of any value of any other controls that the other widgets will change. And then I just run the app. So that's the way in which this app works. Okay, thank you.